That is a real idea, typed by someone who cannot code. And that is a concrete 5-day plan to ship the first version. Not it depends, not a course. Do this Monday, this Tuesday. I built this tool in a week. I'm about to show you the whole build, and you can use it free right now. Where to start? Everyone tells you to use AI. No one tells you where to start. So people sit on ideas for months, frozen at step one. Last video, I built the stack picker. It tells you which tools to use. This is the sequel. It tells you what to do with them in order, starting now. I'm Bassam. I build AI tools that actually ship in public. Let's build this one. The machine is simple. You type your idea, pick your skill level, can't code, can think, or developer. Cannot code, can thinker, or developer, and an AI planning engine retains exactly 5 steps. One per day, each one ending in something real you can show someone. One path, no menus. 2 ways to use this video. If you are stuck at step one, steal the tool. If you build things for clients, steal the pattern. A single page AI tool with a locked down prompt behind it is something businesses pay real money for. Every plan was the same page advice. Research tools make a plan, start small. Technically correct, completely useless. The demo worked, the product didn't. That's the whole disease this channel is about. The fix wasn't code, it was a prompt. Force one path, exactly 5 steps. Every step has to end in something you can show someone, and has to name their idea in the output, or it regenerates. Also, the model kept trapping its JSON and marked down fences and crashing the page. So we stripped those. 2 fixes. One philosophical, one dumb. Shipping is mostly both. Shipping means the API key never touches the page. A tiny Cloudflare worker holds it as a secret, and the page just posts your idea to it. Free tier, costs nothing. And the plan you generate can be emailed to you, which, yes, is how the free tool grows the list. I show you the funnel because the funnel is part of the build. Total infrastructure cost, about zero. Time, a week in public. You watch most of it on X. Live on the real domain, different idea, different skill level. Completely different stack and steps. Still one, blunt path. For you, the answer to where do I start is now a link. If you are an agency, this exact pattern branded page, locked prompt, worker backend, is an afternoon of work once you have done it twice. The tool is free, link below. No sign up to try it. If you want the plan email plus the build breakdowns behind these tools, that's the newsletter. One system to steal every week. Last video picks your tools. This one gives you the plan. The next build is already brewing, and subscribers pick what it is. See you in that one.